Hey Home Automations viewers! Struggling to keep track of your shows on Peacock? Today we've got the ultimate guide to managing your watch history. Let's dive in! First up, navigate to your profile page on Peacock. Here, you'll find the Continue Watching or My Stuff section. This is your go-to spot for content you've started but haven't finished yet. Prefer to watch on the go? Here's how to check your history on the mobile app. Open the app, log in, tap your profile icon, and select Watch History. You'll see a list of your recently watched shows, complete with thumbnails and details. For desktop users, head over to the Peacock website. Click your profile icon, select Watch History, and voila, a full list of your watched shows appears, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Can't find what you're looking for? Your search history might hold the key. And don't forget the Watch Later list, perfect for saving shows for another time. Having trouble? Make sure you're logged in with a stable internet connection. If issues persist, try logging out and back in, or clear your cache. And remember, Peacock support is always there to help. Your privacy settings might also affect your watch history visibility. Adjust these to suit your needs. And stay tuned for any future updates. Peacock might add a dedicated watch history feature. There you have it. Managing your Peacock watch history made simple. Got more tips? Share them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more from Home Automations.